Bilang isang OFW, ang dream ko lang talaga is magkaroon na ng sariling business para kahit papaano makapag-retire and then makauwi na sa Pilipinas at meron ding konting pagkakaablahan. So I started my small business last year. I am very happy na naumpisahan ko ito. It was very fulfilling finally na tupad ko yung aking pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling negosyo. And then this year comes with a lot of challenges. Let me share with you guys those challenges na maaari mo ring madaanan as a business owner along the way. So first, kung naging challenge is mawalan ng tao na nagmamanage sa aking business, yung may alam doon sa pagpatakbo ng vulcanizing shop. And then number 2 is fraud, no, within the organization or within the business. So kaya nawala yung tao ko dahil may ginawa siyang fraudulent doon sa business. So napilitan akong tanggalin siya. And then the third challenge is external. Sabihin natin external na fraud din, no? Kung saan ay ninakawan tayo, nilooban yung ating shop. Those are the 3 challenges na aking hinarap this first quarter of 2025. Everything I took it as a challenge, not a setback. Nung nawala yung aking tao, I make it a challenge na I can find a person. I can hire a person as an HR professional also. So I was able to do that. Number 2, yung robbery. So you have to protect and keep some security measures in between, deterrent like CCTV. Huwag kang manghinayang na mag-subscribe kung merong cloud. Mas maganda kung meron kang cloud subscription para continuous 24 hours yung surveillance and monitoring ng yung CCTV para ma-monitor mo kung anong nangyayari sa loob. And it's also a deterrent once they know na merong CCTV doon. So don't take those incident as a setback, but approach it as a challenge. And then what are the things you can do and you can control and you can do something about it? You have to get whatever lessons you can learn from those incidents.
Kung mapapansin mo yung gulong guys sa itaas ng bubong sa dingding ng shop, hindi po ganyan yung display namin ng gulong ha. Yan po yung mga gulong namin, nilagay nila dyan para iikot sila doon sa likod at doon nila kukunin yung mga nanakawin sana nilang gulong. Kaso hindi nila tuluyang mailusot dahil hindi kasya eh. Pero unfortunately may nakuha pa rin silang gulong dahil may nawawalang 3 at for sure doon nila ito dinaan doon sa butas na binutas nila sa gilid ng dingding ng shop. So yun po ang naging diskarte sana nila kaso hindi nila nagawa. Kaya hindi nila nakuha yung 4 na gulong na yan.